I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, and this time we're going to make a scrappy bow. I'm going to fold my wire in half, and I'm just going to take these pieces. Now we've already dovetailed the ends, but again, this is another way to use your scraps of ribbon. And I'm just going to lay these down in here. I'm just going to alternate back and forth. And I love these ribbons because they go together so well. Just lay this down here, like this, bring this up here. So all I'm doing is just sort of shaping it as I go. So super simple to make. And don't forget, everybody, we have almost 1,000 videos on our YouTube channel. And we have on our bowdabra.com website, /blog, we have literally thousands of tutorials. So now what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this piece and I'm going to make another scrunchy bow for the center of this bow. And I'll just fold that back under. And take my wand, give everything a good scrunch. So I want to thank all you guys for joining us and for watching all the way through. I'm going to bring this around to the back and tie a knot, tie another knot, and bring this around here and just kind of shape it out. And this can make a really pretty wreath bow or any other, a bow for a present, but it's a great way to use your scraps of ribbon. And it's also a great, super easy that anybody can make bow. So that's why I really love it. So thank you everybody for watching.